This is the first Pygame Extra tutorial. Today we're going to be looking over the installation of Pygame Extra 1.6.5 or later, depending on when you're watching this. So what you need to do is type in pip3 install Pygame Extra. Pretty simple. Now I already have it, so it's not gonna reinstall, but if you didn't have it already, this is how you'd install it. Import Pygame Extra as B, and you want to do something at start. You want to go p.init, and that's gonna do it. Now if we run this, exit, if we run this, see that it says Pygame Extra is installed correctly. You want to get an installation, it's fine. So you want to go p.display.make to make a display. So the first argument is the display size. You can see it says it here in PyCharm. So we just want to supply a size. For this case, we're just going to go 500 by 500. And then if you want, you can supply a caption. So we're just going to say episode 1. Alright, if we do this, you're going to see that a screen flashes on screen. So this is where we want to start making our game loop. So we're just going to go while true. And here we want, if we do this, it's just going to be stuck here. It's not going to respond on Windows or on Linux. It's just not going to respond. It's not going to do anything. What we want to do first is make our event. So you're going to go for p.event.c, that's the current event, in p.event.get. So this is going to get the events, it's going to store them in here, and from there you can do stuff like this. p.event.quit checkout. What this is going to do is it's basically going to check if the X button is pressed, it's going to quit the program automatically. You can see now, if we press the X button, it quits the program. So that's the basics. So let's fill the screen with white. So let's go p.fill.full. So I'm going to fill the full screen. And here there's two things we can do. We can supply a full RGB color, so 255, 255, 255. Or we could do something much simpler by going p.color.white. And you know what, let's just run this here. You notice that the screen stays black, and that's because we haven't updated the screen. So let's go p.display.update, and this will make the screen white. And you can see we have a white screen with nothing on it. Now, another important thing to put in our game loop is the FPS. This is the maximum FPS, so we're going to go p.time.tick. And here you can set your tick rate. So we're just going to set something like 100. Doesn't matter really. And yeah, now we have a window. Now this window is not resizable, you can't do much with it, but what we can do is we can supply 1 over here. Now what we have right now, its default is a 0, a non-resizable window. 1 will make this, the screen resizable, and as you can see now, we can resize the display, we can make it full screen, whatever we want. If we go 2, it's gonna make it full screen, like open full screen. So if we do this, you see it opens up like this. I don't know if you saw that. Anyway, so how do we check if the screen size has been changed? Well, there's one thing we can do. So let's go ahead and just go print p.display.get, and we want to get size. So you see, you get the new size here. So with that, that's basically it. So what we can do is, for example, we can, but this is going to be for the next tutorial actually. You can also check the original size by doing this, but this is the variable. And there we go. It's going to return 500, 500. But this value won't change as we change the size. It's the original size. If we wanted to preserve this size, even if, you know, we have the resizable, you can just add it here, and what it's gonna do is it's just gonna, it's just gonna stick to that size no matter what you change it to. But obviously this is impractical, but yeah, you can obviously do this, and you can also change the caption and everything, or you could change the screen mode entirely, it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's the basics. This is all that I'm going to show you in this video. We'll continue in the next video. Yeah, that's it. Bye.